Okay, so a few things going on in this video. One, I've tried a lot of different settings on the Nikon D500 with the 17 to 55 f2.8 lens. Hopefully the quality is going to be a lot better this time. And I also have this item. So before I go into much detail what this item is, I recently decided to get another action camera again, so I purchased a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I was trying to figure out what accessories I wanted, what did I really want to accomplish with the camera. And in the process I was doing some searching and doing what we all do, hang out on YouTube, and I had run across this video from Air Photography. And the name of the video is My 2019 Minimalist GoPro / Camera Travel Kit. And love this guy's setup. He has really the perfect setup in my opinion. So I went ahead and I actually started ordering a lot of the products that he was using because I wanted to replicate what he had. I thought his setup would work great for me. So some of the things that he had was a B-stable cam tripod foot, which it has a 1/4 thread on the bottom. It's made out of metal. It's got a really wide base on it, so it'd be very, very stable. So I ordered that and love it. Really, really good quality. Ordered the case. This is the GoPro Casey, which you've probably already seen a review on that. The dual charger for the GoPro, ordered that. 2 batteries. So I have that. But one of the things that really caught my eye in his video is he's using this charging handle. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but he has this charging handle, and he's calling it the FeiyuTech charging handle. And so I went ahead and I've located a lot of these different items and things that he was using, which he posted links to most of all this. But when I got to the FeiyuTech charging handle, I was getting a page not found. So I thought, well, not a big deal. I'll find it somewhere on the internet, go ahead and order it. Well, it turned out to be a big deal because I went to like probably 12 to 15 different places and could not find this charging handle anywhere. So now at this point, I've already ordered all these different accessories because I wanted this charging handle. And FeiyuTech is really known for gimbals, that kind of thing. And so really what this handle's designed for, it screws into the end of one of their gimbals. It has a USB port, and then you can then plug it into the gimbal, and then it actually will charge the gimbal, which could possibly charge your action camera. Yeah. So the action camera will plug into the gimbal, and then the gimbal can plug into this. So ultimately you're getting quite a bit of battery power there to be able to recharge and keep your action camera charged. So like I said, I couldn't find this thing anywhere. I have since come up with some other options. I've ordered in some other things, but I'm still looking for this handle. If I can find this handle anywhere, I'm going to buy it. So if somebody happens to know where you can buy it at, let me know. But here he is talking about it a little bit.
GoPro adapter. I now have a handle for my GoPro, which I can plug directly into the power bank and keep my GoPro charged for an extended period of time. When we're done filming for the day, I can plug this back in and recharge it. So I definitely always bring that with me when I'm traveling. The next is just a basic tripod.
Okay, that's the tripod that is here. Now I'm going to go ahead and skip forward a little bit because this is where it's going to tie in with what this is. So
Nice and compact and fits in this case.
here's the charging handle.
Of extension handles.
Or wait,
This is the
I don't
extension
know where it
handle
just
that I
went.
tend to bring with me when traveling.
That's what this
By
is.
FeiyuTech as well. And the reason why I really like it blends in perfectly with the power bank handle.
There's the power bank handle,
So now,
charging
I have
handle.
an extension handle.
This is this.
Power bank that extends if I need. I can have my 360 camera on here, my GoPro on here. I can even mount my Osmo Pocket on there. I could also attach the tripod to the bottom of it as well
That's
if needed.
this.
But what I really like most about this extension handle is the fact that it's nice and compact. Most extension poles, even when all the way in, are still fairly long. There's no.
So that was the setup that I was going for. So that's what this is. This is the extension handle. So it's got 1/4 thread on the bottom. It's got a 1/4 thread on the top. And the quality of this is absolutely amazing. It's aluminum. It feels so good, and it's almost like a rubber, but it's a hard rubber, but it's got really a nice texture to it. I don't know if you can see here, but there's a lock and unlock that's on there. And so it's locked at this point. If I unlock it by turning it counterclockwise, you can now extend this. I'm not for sure what the reach is, I can't remember. But at any point, wherever you want it, you just turn it clockwise and it will lock it into place. Now, everything's aluminum except for these pieces. These are like a plastic, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's plastic. So these don't feel super high-end quality, but the handle does. And so this thing is called the FeiyuTech Reach Pole V2 700. Yeah. So you can kind of see, I don't know, maybe you can see there where, you know, they're using it on a gimbal, which is really what this is all designed for. So in the process of, I could find the charging handle. I did end up contacting the manufacturer because they actually showed that they had it in stock. They contacted me, said that, hey, we don't have it. I contacted them back and said, hey, this is the setup I'm trying to put together. I really need this handle, and I'm going on vacation. I'm going to Mexico in about 2 weeks, and so I really kind of need this handle. And they were so super cool. They're hooking me up with a gimbal, which I should receive it probably within the next week or so, and I'll be doing a video on it. It wasn't free, but they drastically discounted it to me, so I'm getting a really good deal on it. The only thing is that I've heard with some of these gimbals, it's their G6 is which one it is motor noise. So I don't know how that part's going to play out. And you know, the gimbal itself has a battery built into it, and then you have the battery that's actually in the GoPro. So I don't know if that's going to be enough battery life for me. So I'm kind of filling all my options. So as of right now, I've got the tripod, right, for this, or I can use it for whatever. It's got the extension, right, to extend it out. So this is one possible solution, or part of a possible solution. I had also ordered the floaty handle. I can't remember what it's called now, but it's really light. Put your GoPro on here, falls into water, it floats, got the orange, you can see it. I can see where I could use this in the future at some point. Just going and playing around in the water. I live near the Gulf of Mexico, so you know I could be using it there. Does not have a battery inside, so that wasn't really my number one solution. And then I had also purchased a Benro BK10, which it's really nice. I like the design. It's got the tripod built into it. It has a little remote that you can control your camera with. or your cell phone with, I mean, and it has a small little head on top of it, and then extends out. So all kinds of neat little things, but again, no battery. And to me, that's what really sold me on this, which made me actually start buying all this. So if anybody knows where I can get that charging handle, let me know, because I'm definitely interested in getting it. I still have a lot more GoPro accessories and things that's coming in. I should be receiving a lot of it actually tomorrow, and I think I have another thing showing up on Sunday. Today's Friday, and so I'll go ahead and do some small videos on those as well. So as I'm trying to build my GoPro action camera collection again, I'll try to keep you all up to date. So certainly appreciate you watching. Hopefully the video quality is a little bit better and the audio quality is better. And let me know what you think. I certainly appreciate it. Thanks. All right, bye.